Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my viewers, subscribers based on your locations. Welcome to another video on Gateway to Voice. Myself, Rahmatullah Khan Muhammad, CEO of Gateway to Voice. In today's video, I will be giving you a brief overview of the plan of 2013, where I will be posting a list of videos based on three different technologies. Uh, Three different technologies. So this is, as I said, this is a video plan for 2013 for my Gateway to Voice channel. Myself, Rahmatullah Khan Muhammad. So before I start with a good overview of what the topics which we will be covering, I want to take an opportunity to define and what is Gateway to Voice. Gateway to Voice is a private non-profit organization, and wherein I will be posting videos for my viewers and subscribers who are really thirsty about the technologies. On the screen, as you can see, is that I have a YouTube channel. If you click on that link, you will be taken to my channel, wherein you will be provided with different videos based on different technologies. And I also have a blog site as shown on your page. One more interesting thing which I have defined, and for this is I have created a Facebook group wherein we will be discussing about what are the technologies as rightly in running with in the IT structure, and how the companies are really focusing on it. And I also have created a Facebook page wherein I will be posting the videos, documents, power presentations, creating an events so that the subscribers can participate in that. Okay, so let's start with the technologies which we will be discussing today. So let's start with first technology, wherein and in my upcoming videos I will be defining and implementing Microsoft LYNC Server, which is a competitor, you can say, for VoIP, Cisco VoIP, or you can say it's a competitor for Cisco Unity Express. Microsoft have recently launched this, not recently, somewhere last year starting, they introduced this LYNC Server, which is equivalent to Cisco Unity Express. Now in this video, in this technology, I will be introducing you to what is LYNC Server is. Then I will define a fictitious company's network layout and how the implementation, how we define the implementation and of the network layout. I will be using two tools which for designing the network layout. One will be the GNS3 as usual, and one will be VMware Server, VMware Workstation, which I will be using for designing the network layout. Then move on with the pre-installation requirements for the deployment of LYNC Server. Then we'll focus on installation of LYNC Server and a complete deployment of LYNC environment in an organization. What are its benefits? How it's deployed in many organizations, and what are its features. So we will be learning on this concept as well. Coming to the next concept of firewall. This is a new but not fully implemented by Microsoft. It's called Forefront Threat Management Gateway. It's equivalent to ISA 2006 servers. This will be very helpful for those users who are who have a hands-on on ISA servers, ISA 2004 or 2006. Uh, uh, in this uh, in this technology, I will be introducing you what is TMG server, how its benefit for an organization to carry out web protection and monitoring intrusion prevention systems. I will also design a fictitious company network layout using my tools I've already defined with GNS3 and VMware Workstation. Then I will be uh, installing, like making a prerequisite installation for deployment of this TMG. Then I will be focusing on installation of TMG server on a VMware machine, then a complete deployment of TMG, and an extra topic which we will be discussing and which is becoming really popular nowadays is called VPN, which is called Virtual Private Network. So the reason why I'm using this concept in this forefront threat management gateway is nowadays the companies are moving on to virtual private networks for data connectivity between branches and to the head offices with cheaper cost, greater security. So in that way we will be designing this thing on our virtual environment. Coming on to the third topic, VMware Suite, a list of VMware technologies which are really making a goal in IT infrastructure. Many organizations are moving on to this infrastructures called VMware. In this technology I will start with the introduction of virtualization, what the virtualization is. Then we will be looking into different flavors of VMware Suite. We have VMware Workstation, we have VMware vSphere, vCenter, View, ThinApp, VMware Server, VMware Player, and VMware Fusion, which is a Mac flavor of virtualization. Then I will be giving you a brief overview of what these technologies are, how these technologies work, how the installation of these technologies is taken place. Then as normal, I will be also designing a fictitious network for a fictitious company to carry out a hands-on experience, like a proper virtual environment, and to carry out this as layout. Then I will be making an installation of vSphere along with vCenter on my virtual machine. Then I will be defining the features of networking of vSphere, storage design of vSphere, and the deployment of VMWARE, which is also becoming more popular. Along with this, I will also be defining how to deploy a ThinApp application, making the environment and a virtual environment. So this way the topics which I will be discussing in my upcoming videos. Hopefully I'm starting this from next week, inshallah. So if you have any more comments, or if you want to view my more videos, you can subscribe to my channel on YouTube channel, or you can log on to my Facebook group page, and also you can post the questions on Facebook. Looking forward for these network designs, and I wish you a very happy day. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video.